I fucking made it.
30 days ago, we set a challenge for ourselves, and that is starting tomorrow, gagawin natin yung 30 days of monk mode challenge. And today is the last day of that challenge. And if you will ask me, what are the changes after that challenge? And what are the things that I gain from it? The first thing is, I gain knowledge. I conquer my fear of facing camera. I got insecure, especially when I'm facing camera. I gain confidence. And I found my peace. And I made it. I achieved my goal, transforming my body into skinny fat. And to this. And the most important part is, unti-unti na tayo nakaka-move on or nakaka-heal from what happened after that woman left in my life. Anyways, if you want to achieve this kind of challenge or any challenge in your life, the first thing you do is you have to believe that you can do it, and just be a fucking delusional until that day na you can say